it's me, Caroline, and today I have a really fun unboxing. So a little backstory. A couple of months ago, I posted a video of a Magic at Your Door unboxing. After I posted that video, it was brought to my attention that that was, in fact, not actually Magic at Your Door. That is my fault. I didn't realize at the time that there was an actual subscription service that was Magic at Your Door. So, and I apologized, and I did keep the video up mostly because I wanted to alert everybody to the fact that that is not real. So, after that, I subscribed to the real Magic at Your Door for September. And unfortunately, due to some health issues and some moving issues, the curator wasn't able to get me my box in September, but we spoke, and I said I'd take 2 boxes in October. So I have this massive, massive, massive box right here. And it's 2 boxes, and I'm really, really, really excited. This is, you know, it's probably not necessarily Halloween themed, but this part is, how cute is that? Oh my gosh! It's so cute. I'm so excited. So, after a very long, almost 3 months of waiting, I finally have my box! And I'm gonna open it! I'm so excited! Okay, so let me push this back so I can get everything situated. Okay. Trusty scissors are coming at me. They're coming at this box, rather. Let's see. Little trick I learned working retail. I'm using box cutters. Cut away from yourself. If not, you will probably hurt yourself. As I did many, many times because I didn't listen to rules. Ugh. This side doesn't cut. Ooh. I'm so excited! Oh, I sliced my finger. Hold on, let me... Ugh. You know what? It's okay. It's like a paper cut. Okay. So, the first thing that you get on top of this box is the certificate. You get this with your first box, or I think you get it with all your boxes. And it's just letting you know that it says, "Welcome to the Ohana of Magic at Your Door. If you can dream it, you can do it, and always let your conscience be your guide. May the magic of Disney be forever at your door." So this is just mine letting me know, hey, welcome. We're so excited to have you. And then if you've ever watched any other unboxings, you'll know that you get the newsletter and you get the prices right there. So on top, I already see something I'm very excited about. I love ears. And I purposely did not get any ears when I went to the parks, just in case I got something or I duplicated in this box. And I wanted these. And they're the little Halloween ones. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. I kept eyeing these at the park and was like, I want them, 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 I want them. But I told myself, no, you're getting a box. You're getting a box. So I got these ears. And I want to say these retail for these retail for $27.99. So I'm really excited about these. If I didn't already have my really cute light up Tower of Terror ones on, I would put these on my head. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, there's so much like confetti in here. Look at this. I don't even know. They see something Gem Shore. Ugh, I don't even know where to start. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go with this box right here. I'm gonna move this guy out of the way for just a second. Where did I put my scissors? They're there. I think this is probably gonna be a mug. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Maybe not, because it's got the styrofoam on the top right here. Oh my goodness, you guys! Ah! Oh my god! Okay, this is adorable! And it lights up. Is it gonna light up? Do I have to put batteries in it? I guess I do. Oh, it has batteries in it. I guess they're dead. That's okay. I don't care. No. I'm just... Oh my god! This is the cutest thing ever! So it's a Nightmare Before Christmas light up snow globe. Ironically, I was just talking to my mom a couple of weeks ago about how I kind of want to start collecting snow globes. They're kitschy, they're cute. But look at this. So you have Jack and Zero in the center, and then obviously you turn the little button on and it lights up. And it's snowing! And on the top, on the top there is a spider web. This is so cute! Oh my god! Okay, let's see. Okay, retail on this, I don't know. It may not say anywhere. That's okay though. $20. I found it. $20 for the snow globe. It was on the box. Okay, this is cute. This is the best. It's like Christmas. Okay, back to the big box. I'm just like, how? I'm so glad I waited. This is so worth the wait. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this Jim Shore box. Okay. Disney Showcase Collection. Oh! Styrofoam just went everywhere. My heart is beating so fast right now. I'm so excited. If this is what I think it is, I might cry. Because I've seen it on the Facebook page. And it is so cute. It is. It is a beautiful Jim Shore Nightmare Before Christmas. And it's the book. It's got a book. It's got Zero on it. Oh my gosh. So that's the front, but the back even says The Nightmare Before Christmas. Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Once Upon a Nightmare. I really wanted this. I thought it was so cute. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. And this, for me, is not a Halloween piece. This is an everyday piece of decor, if you will. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, what's next? Okay, let's look at this. Look at this. What is this? Oh my god. Okay, so they don't know this, but I love beanies. And look at how cute. It's a little Jack Skellington beanie. Oh my god, I love this. I will wear this all the time. I love this. This retails for $19.99. And I already know that this Jim Shore is upwards of like $70, $80. So I've already gotten more than what I spent, at least in one box in this. So, there's more though. Y'all, there is more in here. So, oh my god. So I got this beautiful Loungefly. And I got another Food and Wine booklet in it. This is good. Now I have one that's not like wrinkled and touched and kind of like the one I got when I went to Food and Wine. But anyways, this is a, oh my gosh, it's a Loungefly wallet. So you have Mickey and Minnie on it. And you open it up this way. And you have cards right here. A part for your ID. You know, right here for your checkbook or your cash. Or like receipts if you're like me. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. And also, oh my god, y'all, I'm blown away. Oh my god. It says Mickey loves Minnie on it. The little clasp is a Mickey. Ah! I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. There's still more. We're not done. Oh yeah. Retail value of this is $50. This is $50. I mean, you guys, break time, intermission for a minute. This is seriously a great subscription. Since I found out and, you know, owned up to my mistake, I did watch a whole bunch of videos. And the curator does a fantastic job. He listens. I mean, the products are fantastic. You definitely get more than, you know, what you expect in this box. It's a fantastic box. I highly recommend it. If you just want some fun, he does the subscription boxes. He does one-time boxes. Unfortunately, this year he's all sold out, but they also do like Halloween boxes and Christmas boxes and like a Halloween Christmas box. I did not do any of those because I wanted to do the subscription first and make sure that it was something I would enjoy, and I don't know why I doubted that I'd enjoy it. But anyways, okay, moving on. There's still more stuff in here. Okay, so here is this little bag, and I've heard that in these little bags there's like usually jewelry or pins or something small and pretty. I'm all excited, and okay, I'm gonna open it up. Let's go. Okay, I think these are socks. Are they socks? They might be those knee-high socks I saw. Yes! So these, in here I have the Maleficent, the Queen of All Evil, my favorite, Maleficent socks. These little knee-high socks I love. Love, love, love. Perfect for me. I don't know if there's a retail on these, if it says, like, there's not a color or anything, but I would assume these probably run somewhere between $10 and $20. And tucked inside here, I already kind of took it out, is a little box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it is a Tinkerbell sterling silver necklace. And Tinkerbell is my favorite, one of my top 5 favorite Disney characters ever. I love, love, love her story time. When my cousin went to Disneyland a couple years ago, she actually FaceTimed me, and I will insert a picture somewhere here of that interaction with Tinkerbell. Was it Disneyland? I think it was Disneyland. But we FaceTimed because she knows I love her, and it was super fun, so I am so excited. And it's kind of like mixed metal almost. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell. But, oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, there's more stuff in here. I don't know how much more stuff, but there's more. Ooh, this is a mug.